Hi, this is Darrin Johnson, your digital marketing librarian, and today I'm going to talk to you about a couple of truths that I'm learning for my online business that I think you will benefit from as well. Now, when I got started on my online journey, I made a lot of mistakes, as do a lot of newbies. But the thing is I finally found a way to get the true information that's necessary to be successful promoting any business on the internet. So what I want to talk to you about is I want to talk to you about a myth and a couple of truths. Now, one of the myths that most people fall victim to when they're online is believing that just because they're a part of a business that they're going to be able to be successful just by posting their link out on social media or buying paid traffic. And the truth of the matter is online business promotion is not just taking your link and posting it in social media or driving paid traffic to your business or your opt-in page. That's a myth that doesn't work anymore. Maybe it did 10 years ago, but in 2019, that's just not how we get it done. So then I came across a couple of truths, and the truth of the matter is you have to have answers to very important questions about your target audience, and then you have to have answers about other important questions that most online newbies don't think about. Okay, and I'm going to give you 3 examples right now in this video. So the first thing that you have to know to be successful in promoting your business is how to create a brand and a following. And this is very important. The second one is how to generate traffic and how to choose the right platform for your traffic, knowing where your audience lives and how to access them. And then the third one is how to create leverage and conversion. So once you have your target audience in place, and you're exposing them to your business or your opportunity or your service, how exactly do you leverage that to create conversions, to get them to become paid customers or clients of yours? And so I'm finally learning how to answer these questions for my business. And I'm also learning more information about things that I never even thought about that are so important to the success of my business. And it has allowed me to actually create my very own business. Because these principles are universal and they're evergreen principles that you can use for any business. And that's what most gurus don't teach you, is they teach you how to market whatever it is that they want you to be a part of, if they teach you that. But they don't teach you the skills that are necessary to market any business necessary, so that if they close up shop or you decide that you want to go in a different direction, you would then have the skills that you need to be successful doing that. They don't teach you that because they don't care, because that doesn't make money for them. All right. So what you have to do is you got to get out there and educate yourself and give yourself the fundamentals and understand exactly what you need to do that makes sense for your business. Okay. And so this is what I finally stumbled upon. And I'm very happy to share this information to anyone who's out there, either just getting started or like me, you've made a bunch of mistakes and you followed a bunch of gurus and you still felt led astray and like you didn't have the right answer. This is an opportunity for you to get those answers for yourself. Okay, so if you like what you're hearing here, or this sounds like something that you feel like you can benefit from, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, and you're going to have access to the same information that I'm learning that took me about 7 years to finally find. And I'm very happy that I have found this information, and I'm very happy to be sharing it. And, like I said before, I finally learned how to answer all these questions for my business. And then I'm also exposed to over 70 instructional, informational videos that I discovered along my journey that is helping me build my business. And it's separate from anything online that you may see, or any kind of training that you're going to get from a system that you bought. That information is very generic and it often doesn't work. But this is very specific, applicable information that you can use that will help you build your business on the internet. Just by educating yourself and applying what you're learning. And you also learn how to apply what you're learning. So it's not just like binge watching a bunch of videos and then at the end of it, you're like, okay, I've seen a bunch of videos. This is a chance for you to actually learn. After each video, you get kind of like a homework assignment on what you can do, what piece you can put in place that will help you build your business. Okay. So if you want access to this type of high level information, and the keys that will help you move your business along. All you got to do is click the link in the description below, and you'll have access to what I have. And I hope that you will see the value in it just as I do. And I will shoot another video giving you some more pointers on things that you can do to help you build your business. This is Darrin Johnson. I'm your digital marketing librarian, and I thank you for the time that it took you to watch this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Thank you.